Blitz Win Cash is one of the most talked about play games win money apps. So let's dive deep into real tests and expert reviews to see if it's actually legit. So according to one from Budget Diet, Blitz Win Cash is a legitimate cash gaming app. It is not a scam. It's developed by Sport Newco and offers 10 plus skill based games where players compete in tournaments for real cash prizes. But here how it works. You can play free matches, but real earnings come from cash tournaments. Players deposit money to enter, and winners can earn anywhere from 50 cents to $50, depending on the tournament size and skill level. So here's the catch though, this is not a passive money earning app. You only win if you're skilled enough to beat other players. If you lose your entry fee. So while the app is legit, it's not a guaranteed income source. It's more like competitive gaming where with real stakes. So Blitz Win Cash is legit. You can try it, but it's not for everyone. If you enjoy skill-based games and understand the risk of losing money, it can be fun. And if you're looking for easy earnings, this isn't it.